Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo. That means how can you change or how can you remove your Yahoo mail from your Google Chrome. In this tutorial I will show you that. So let's begin our video. So first I open my Yahoo, that means I open my Chrome browser, and then there you can see my search engine is Yahoo. I changed my search engine. So how can I do that? Let's begin. So first you need to click on the top right corner three dot icon. There you can see three dot. Just select it, and now you can see a option settings. Select it. Then you can see option search engine. Select it, and then there you can see it's selected Yahoo. You just need to select it and then select Google. That's it. Now you can open a new tab. Now there you can see their search engine is changed Yahoo to Google. Now my search engine is Google. So guys, in this way you can change or you can fix your Google Chrome search engine very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.